Hello world, welcome to codingscientist.com. We are on lesson number 8 or a project number 8. In this lesson of funny Python series, I am going to show you something interesting which is animal quiz. It's very simple and just about 8 10 lines of code, and we are going to have some little bit of fun. So if you are a quiz fan, would you like to make one of the quiz applications by yourself using Python? Well, yes, but I'm going to walk you through some a very few basic lines of code at a high level, and then you can probably use it on your own. So basically, what happens is, let me just share the IDE here. Okay, this is my code. So what's happening is, if you look at this code, basically uses the function at the block of code with a name that performs a specific task. So the function block which calls in each and every sub function, and the function basically allows you to use the same code several times without having to type everything each time. That's the basic logic, right? And Python has a lot of built-in functions, but it also allows you to create your own function. You can build your own function. This particular program, if you look at it carefully, all the 16 18 lines of code should continue to check if there are any questions to ask, and if the user input, the end user or a player, has totally is totally tired and exhausted, all his chances, the score is stored in a variable during the game. Once all the questions have been answered, specific questions, right, the game ends. You can actually expand this code to a much more complex algorithms, right? You can also build your own Q&A adding into this, and keep asking for the user input. Just imagine, guys, using this particular code, this particular program, along with your random story generator and the password generator. It's going to, you can build a wonderful application. Just think about it. It's going to get really interesting. Let's run this code for a minute and see what is the output. All right, guess the animal. Which bear lives in the North Pole? So I am going to say, let me purposefully give a wrong answer. A pig. It says wrong answer. Okay, elephant. Elephant. Definitely, it's a wrong answer. What else? Lion. Okay, the correct answer is polar bear. See, three atoms, you'll get the correct answer. Which is the fastest land animal? I'm going to say, I'm going to give a definitely a wrong answer. Cheetah. Correct answer. Okay, that's a correct answer. Which is the largest animal? Largest animal, elephant. Wrong answer. Okay, blue whale. Okay, correct answer. Your score is 2. So this is how this particular game works, guys. It's pretty simple. You can actually go ahead and modify this code. It's about 25 lines of code. You can, it's very, I don't have to explain. It's a simple logic. You can go ahead and modify this function. You can create your own functions and sub functions within each and every elements. Keep adding some of the questions and answers. You can, if you want to take it in a more advanced level, try to build your password generator and the story generator into this. It's going to give you ton loads of ideas. All right, guys, that's it for this particular lesson. I'll be back soon in the next video. Bye bye.